Hi everyone, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a leftover cranberry sauce cocktail. Let's get started. So first we're going to start off with half a cup of cranberry sauce. I wanted to make my own, but apparently it's really hard to find cranberries if it's not the season. So half a cup, add 2 pumps of Amoretti's cranberry craft puree. The cranberry sauce is a little bit sweet, so this craft puree is going to add the tartness and the balance between the two instead of just pure sweetness. And we are going to mix these together, kind of just mash the cranberry sauce and meld all the flavors. You want to make sure you get this really mushed up and really melded together so that it blends really well in your cocktail at the end. And this will also go really well if you have your own homemade cranberry sauce recipe. It would be awesome. Now that that's all mixed, we are going to add this into the shaker and we're gonna add our other ingredients. We have 3 ounces of bourbon. This is gonna be enough for 2 drinks, so you can either cut it back in half if it's just for one person, or add more if it's for more people. We have half an ounce of lemon juice, and then we're just gonna give it a good shake. You wanna make sure you shake it, it's gonna explode, really well, because you really want those chunks of cranberry shaken up. I did it well. It didn't explode. All right, now we're gonna pour the contents into our glasses. So just split these 2 between your glasses. And we're gonna top it off with some ice. And for the final touch, we're gonna top it off with some ginger beer. Add some bubbles to it. And there you have a leftover cranberry sauce cocktail. If you make this at home for Thanksgiving, be sure to tag us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter when you post your images. Also, be sure to sign up for our newsletter and subscribe to our channel. Cheers!